Meaning of hearing aid.
Hearing aid.
Hearing aid.
Hearing aid.
Hearing aid. A hearing aid is an electronic device worn behind or in the ear that amplifies sound for people with hearing loss. It helps them to hear better and communicate more effectively with others. There are different types of hearing aids, including those that fit in the ear canal or outside the ear. Some hearing aids have features like Bluetooth connectivity, noise reduction, and feedback suppression. The goal of a hearing aid is to improve the quality of life for people with hearing loss by enhancing their ability to hear and engage in daily activities.